Hi everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen and we are here to solve another question on SQL, and today is day 35 of solving 100 questions on SQL. So the question we are going to solve today is highest salary in department, and this question got asked in Asana and Twitter. So let's see what is the question. So the question is find the employee with the highest salary per department. Output the department name, employee's first name along with the corresponding salary. Okay, so we have to find the highest salary per department, and then we have to find out the employee's name as well. Okay, so let's see the table quickly. So this is the table we have, that is employee table, where we have ID, first name, last name. We have salary column as well, and we have department here. Okay, so what we are going to do, so for each unique department, we have to find out maximum salary, right? So I'm going to write down department, not department. I'm going to write down group by on department. Then for each department, I'm going to find out maximum salary. Let's name this as max salary. Okay, now let's run this. So in sales, we have this as maximum salary, in management, this in audit, this. Now we have to find out the employee's name as well. But the problem here is we have grouped by on department and we are applying the aggregate function on the salary column. So if we are only going to write down the first name, it is not going to give us the right name of the employee. It is going to select whatever is the first row of that department, and whatever is the first name, it is going to select that and give us to it in the output. Let me show you in the expected output so that you can understand better. So for audit, we have Chandler. Here also we have Chandler, no problem. For management, if you see, it is Richard, but we are getting Cathy. In sales, it is Mick, we are getting Max. So it is not correct. Okay. So how to make it correct? So what we are going to do, we have one table that is called as employee, right? I'm going to put this under CTE, and then I'm going to join this CTE table we have just created with employee table on the same salary value and the department value. And once it is going to match, I'm going to extract the first name of that employee from there. Okay, let me show you what I'm doing. So let's leave the column names for now. I'm going to write down from CTE, C, let's name this as C, join employee E on C dot max salary. We have named it as max salary is equal to E dot salary. Okay, so salary is going to match and the department should also match. So again, C dot department is equal to E dot department. Okay. Now from here, what we need E dot department, E dot salary. Let's first put first name and E dot salary. Okay, now let's run this. Yeah. So now we are getting for management, it is Richard. This is the salary. For sales, it is Meg. This is the salary. For audit, it is Chandler, and this is the salary. So this is how to solve this problem. Okay, we cannot find out first name just by grouping it and doing the aggregate on the max salary. It is going to give us the maximum salary and the department, but to extract name, we have to do this. Okay, so that is why we join with the table given, that is the employee table, and then on the common columns, there is going to be row with the maximum salary and the same department. So of that row, we have extracted the first name of the employee. And this is how we are showing it in the output. So now if we are going to see the expected output, it is matching, right? Let's order it so that it will completely match the expected output. Order by E dot department. Let's run this. Yeah, it is matching. So now let's submit our query. So our query got accepted, so it is correct. So this is how we have solved this problem. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment section. If you have more solution to this problem, you can put that too in the comment section. Hope you understood this video. If you like it, keep liking. Do not forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.